Yesterday, one of my friends named Benson, he came here along with his other friend, and he told me that he'll be having some pizza. He invited me, but unfortunately for some reason I could not really make it. But he sent me the details on Instagram, and that's the reason why I'm here today. Good evening, guys. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin.
And I'm Adrian.
Well, I'm at Lucky Lobos Wood-Fired Pizzeria and Bar, and the most astonishing thing is, probably in the history of our channel, this is the first time we've visited a place which was opened just yesterday. So today is their second day of operations, and if you remember Benson, I mentioned in the previous videos, Salt by the Bay and Ban 31. Benson has recommended us some really good places. He said the pizzas here are good. This is not a paid promotion. Okay, I'm not here to promote them. It's only because of word of mouth, because Benson has told us the place is good. That's the reason why I'm here today. It's their menu, short and simple. So the ones marked in the red are non-veg pizzas, and the ones in the green are veg pizzas. And this here is their bar menu. In case if you're here to have a drink, you can have a look at the rates. After having a look at the menu, I think we'll go for the barbecue chicken, and apart from that we can also go for a spicy chicken pepperoni. Yeah, these two pizzas. Usually, when we visit restaurants, we go through so many reviews, and so many people tell us about the main items that you get there. But this is a new place, so I don't really know what exactly to order. That's why I'm just taking two items. So yeah, let's see how this goes. And one of you guys had spoken about parking space in the comments. So if you look here, there's plenty of parking space for two-wheelers and for four-wheelers. And this right here is the restaurant. So the pizzas here, this is the spicy chicken pepperoni, and just look at the size of this. So this is a 12-inch pizza, and there's another one on the way, but we don't want to wait because we wanted to show you the cheese pull. Oh, so yes, some of it is fallen here, but let's try this. They're just in their second day of operations, but having just one bite of this, I can tell you the hands behind this has a lot of experience, and we are definitely interested in talking to the owners. But the pizza is so good. Like, I really like it because look at the crust. It's not very thick, neither it is very very thin, and the pepperoni is very nice, full of flavor. With the oregano and the chili flakes, it tastes even better. And look at the number of toppings that are there in this. You can literally see toppings everywhere. Let me grab another bite of this, and I'll try my best not to drop the cheese this time. Look at this. You can see the glossy look on the pizza slice. That's because it's very juicy, and this is a trick that I learned from one of the videos that I watched. So if you want a really nice juicy bite, that's the way to do it. Wow. I should have waited a little bit more because it's piping hot. But the pizza is so damn good. Again, credit goes to Benson for showing us some really amazing places. Sorry. And now we are waiting for the barbecue chicken pizza. This wasn't expected at all. I don't know what's wrong in Kalangut. There are so many power cuts lately, but this has turned into a candlelight dinner. Alright, we have a barbecue chicken pizza. Again, this has mozzarella. Let's fold this. It is hot, I can feel it. Unlike the pepperoni, it is a bit on the sweeter side because There's corn, there are tomatoes, there are some greens in there, and there are onions and cheese, of course, and bits and pieces of chicken. It's very good, but if you are like me who wants a spicy pizza, I really enjoyed the pepperoni, but this is excellent as well. So impressed by the pizzas. The thing that stands out is literally everything: the crust, the toppings, the flavors, freshness of the ingredients. Everything just is top notch. And I got an opportunity to speak to the owners, Thomas and Stephanie. So yes, we are going to have a very candid candlelight discussion with them. So guys, we have the owners of Lucky Lobos Pizzeria and Bar, right? This is Thomas and this is Stephanie. And to be honest with you, as you saw in the video, their food has already done the talking, but I'll still ask them a couple of questions. So Thomas, I'm sure you have experience. You told me that as well. So,
Yeah.
I mean, how do you make such good pizzas? What's the background? Where have you worked? Could you tell us a little more about yourself?
Yeah, previously coming here in Goa, I was working in Cayman Islands as a chef,
Okay.
and I used to do pizzas as well as tacos, Mexican food, then grill,
Okay.
seafood grill and all. So I have come down in Goa to share my experience to Goan people and local people,
That's
and so that they can come and experience the food what I prepare over here.
That's nice. And since how many years you're doing this?
Long time, like when I was like at the age of 19, I started in hotel industry.
Okay, so many years. We'll
Many
not
years,
ask
yeah.
you how many experience, years of experience, then
Yeah.
they'll get to know your age.
Yeah.
So yes, he has a lot of experience, and we feel really glad to promote, local businesses. It's really nice, you guys have got all your skills and talents abroad, and you're sharing this with local people here. So all you guys who are watching us from Kalangut, Kandolim, Baga, or wherever, or even if you're a tourist, please make sure you come here. And Stephanie, you've been quiet, sorry. What's your background if you would like to share with us?
I'm a beautician. I have a salon.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
What's the name
And
of the salon?
Treat and Heal. Treat and Heal.
Treat and Heal.
Heal Ladies Beauty Salon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So those of you who want to, manicure, pedicure and all that, you can visit Stephanie's salon. So guys, thank you so much for your time. It's really incredible. Today is just the second day. On the first day I saw on Instagram so many locals came here, and second day already you have 2 tables. So that's really nice to see. Hopefully many of our viewers will visit, and if you're visiting, do let them know you watched the video and you came. Thank you so much.
Thank you.